and welcome back. Today it's all about the IT Cosmetics Tightline Mascara.
We absolutely love this. Now we've had quite a few requests, haven't we, to go into a little bit of depth today about the mascara and to show you how best to apply it. So the first thing is it's a 3-in-1. You have your primer, your Tightline and your mascara. So you can actually use this as a mascara or just as your Tightline. So Tightline Skinny Wand, you can see that there, is designed specifically to get right down to the root of the eyelashes. Most mascaras miss that first third of eyelash.
Yes.
So this goes right in, it drops that black pigment there, so you end up with that fabulous eyeliner. It's beautiful.
And then that gives it a fuller lash line.
Yeah, it does. You can use this on its own, or you can use this with one coat and then use another mascara, like a build up over it. But this does lengthen the eyelashes. It
also has the built-in lash retainer technology that holds lashes up and no need for these, so we can get rid of those. There's no flaking, no clumping, and great for sensitive eyes, because I have sensitive eyes, you have sensitive eyes, and we can use it.
And contact lens wearers can use this.
Yeah.
This product has never given me a problem. And do you know what I really love about this Shilpa? It not only primes the eyelashes and colours them and lengthens them, but it actually nourishes them too. The ingredient list is fantastic.
You've got your biotin, proteins, hydrolyzed collagen. They all work very well together.
You've got your aloe in there, you've got your amino acids, your antioxidants, so all very nourishing, and they really look after the health of the eyelash. Because when you think about it, we're putting on mascara, well I put it on every day,
so do
then
I.
We're removing it at night time. We're actually giving our eyelashes a bit of grief. So,
but also I always worried about using these and what they were doing to my lashes, and I use them all the time, but since I've been using the Tightline, I haven't needed them.
It is lovely, it's just beautiful. So now what we're going to do is, because we've got two very different eye shapes, so you can see that today we have already used the Tightline on one eye, and then we've used our mascara over it. So if we just come a bit closer, you can see. So we're now going to show you how to apply this to our non-mascara eyes, and then you can see what it looks like on the different eye shapes that we have. And what we're going to do with this, just to demonstrate how wonderful it is on its own, we're just going to use this and only this as our Tightline and as our mascara.
Yes.
So off we go. So we're going to start at the root of the eyelashes, which most mascara wands can't get to because they are too thick, whereas this is lovely and skinny. And I love the length of this Shilpa.
Yes.
So you can really get in there. So this is how I do it. I don't know how you do it, but we'll just do it together. And I like to go in and right to that waterline, and I like to press.
Yeah.
So I'm going to press and wriggle, and I'm going to lay down that black pigment in between my eyelashes. So really press it in, because what we're looking for is a beautiful eyeliner effect.
Already that line is building up nicely.
I'm going to try and do this with my left hand. So I'm pressing that pigment in.
And this is great for day wear, isn't it?
It is, it's lovely, and I love the way it really gives the eyelashes a lovely length. So it's really interesting. Women have just had a fascination with mascara since ancient Egyptian times. I think they used to use the kohl, didn't they, to darken the eyes and as an eyelash colouring and eyebrow. I think they did that to ward off evil spirits.
Yes.
We've been fascinated with darkening our eyes forever, haven't we? And then, of course, Eugene Rimmel came to England and lived in London and worked here. And really, he was the first one to invent mascara in the UK.
It was the newly invented petroleum jelly then.
That's right. They discovered the petroleum jelly. They started using that and mixing that up with different ingredients. And then, of course, not to be outdone, the American Mr. Williams decided that he would launch his product in honour of his sister Mabel.
Yes.
And of course, he launched the company Maybelline.
Maybelline.
He used to watch his sister, yeah, that's it, good old Maybelline. He used to watch his sister Mabel create her own concoctions, because of course women had to, because there wasn't really any available mascara on the market. And he watched her doing it and thought, actually, I think I can create a mascara, and he did.
Well, and then
Maybelline.
Helena Rubinstein and Elizabeth
Yeah.
Arden came along and actually gave birth to the mascara.
That we know today.
Yes.
Because of course it's gone from that little cake
Yes.
in the box with adding water and brushing it on to good old Rubinstein and Arden creating it in a package with the wand in it. No need to add water. So how are you getting on with your mascara?
Yes, it's good.
Oh, look at you.
Yeah, I
Wow.
like it. And
Oh
yours.
yeah, look. Sorry, I'm talking
Your
so
lashes
much.
are so curled.
I'm
Very
just
curled up.
I need to get this on so we can show the camera. Yeah, mascara. I think once you apply mascara, it just makes all the difference.
I need mascara.
With definition.
But I need mascara, and I always use a primer. I haven't used a primer today because this is a primer.
Yes, yeah.
I haven't used a primer on this side.
Yeah. That's a
But
great
on this
point
side,
actually,
yeah.
because you always use primer,
Yes.
but you don't have to with this 3-in-1. Mascara, primer and Tightline. What more would you want?
Throw the primer away as well.
Throw the primer away along with the lash curlers.
I
Get
won't
rid
because
of
I
it
don't
all.
like waste, so I'll be using it up.
So this is brilliant, and I just love the way it gets to that first 1/3 of your eyelashes that the bigger ones can't get to. It's lovely. Very, very versatile. You can have a nice natural look, or you can use your build-up mascara over it.
It's a great gift as well, isn't it?
It is, it's lovely. I love,
Lovely.
look, the box is gorgeous. The little silver box to go with
Yes.
the silver. It's lovely, isn't it? It's so sweet. And again, what we love about this, and the two of us spoke about this earlier, we love that this is led by dermatologists
Yes.
and plastic surgeons,
yes.
and it's just so wonderful, great for sensitive eyes. And we just actually love the IT Cosmetics company because they produce great products that are easy to use and they never disappoint.
Very happy with them.
Yeah, I love them.
Please remember to share us with your friends and family, and
Please remember to subscribe and ring that bell. Thank you. See you the next time.